Altcoin of the day. Parental advisory. This is not investment advice. Roger Ver's adopted child, Bitcoin Cash. Born August 1st, 2017, into a tumultuous world, named after its father, Bitcoin Cash has always been in Bitcoin's shadow. Early life. It would later try and reinvent itself as Bcash, despite the remonstrations of a doting surrogate father. During this period, Bcash began sleeping around with a number of exchanges and getting involved with a number of users. #YOLO. After this experimental period, BCH emerged with a clear goal in mind: to challenge its father for dominance as true peer-to-peer electronic cash, with an increased block size of 8 megabytes. Leading to faster transaction, Bitcoin Cash has grown from humble beginnings to an almost 35 billion market cap and a price of almost $2,000. Where is it today? Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin have reconciled a bit. Bitcoin has retired as a store of value and cleared the way for Bitcoin Cash to make a name for itself. And it is doing just that. Bitcoin.com has just announced a Bitcoin Cash Visa debit card to be released soon, which would allow you to say, order a pizza? Who knows? Could this be what sends Bitcoin Cash to the moon? Everyone is proud of an astronaut. Right, Dad?